First, turn the device on the top of the device. The screen should light up. Use the M button to cycle through different modes. You can tell what mode is selected by which one is flashing. You can increase the intensity of one wire A, by using the plus and minus button. Press B to adjust the intensity of the other wire, and then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the intensity. Hit the T button to adjust the time. The time appears in the top left. Hit the Start-Stop button to begin the treatment. Once you're done, just turn the device off.